one house, you only need one house. And if you only got 2 kids, can you just keep it 2 rooms? Right. I mean, why have 52 rooms if you know there's somebody with no room?
I said I rebel with my conscience. I'm just a dreamer, big believer in this whole game is a process. I pray every day that I get to see the next one. My granny tell me don't question the Lord's blessings, but I'm curious. And all this weed smoke, plus I'm dead broke, homie. Shit got me delirious and ease back. My pain killed through the free sack from my Ivy Hill green pack, and my feet flat, planet. While I'm trying to go and blossom, but honestly I'm hurt by the fact they double cross me. Friends turn opposites, deal with the consequence. Gotta go and focus in, bite the hand that held, may the Lord help with your defense.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's your boy Evans, aka Zach or Xauusd, and I'm back with yet again another banging content, guys. You know, today is Friday and I just feel like trading live with you guys here on the channel, and it's been a long time I did a live trading video. So this morning I just feel like why not do this live trading, you guys. So that's what today's video is actually going to be about. I'm going to get into the chart, analyze the chart with you guys. I mean, right from my higher time frame all through to when I'm able to get an entry in the market right here on this channel. So if you are new to the channel and you probably don't know who I am, my name is Evans, aka Zach or Xauusd, and I'm a forex trader here in Ghana. And I've been documenting my journey here on YouTube, showing you guys how I'm walking my journey to become a profitable forex trader here in Ghana. So if you're interested in content like this, do want to smash the like button for your boy, and also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on post notification bell so that every time I upload a new video you get notified. So without wasting much of your precious time, I'll be taking you guys straight into the chart, and then we start our analysis, see if we can get set up or we're going to be waiting to get set up. So let's go, guys. Yeah, so guys, this on the 4H time frame. Let's see at the top here. 4H. This on the 4H time frame of Xauusd gold. And let me start my analysis from here. So no, I can analyze all the chart together, but you know, I'm a day trader. I don't intend to hold the trade all the way to this side. So let me just focus the analysis on this region right here. Okay. So now this is the high and this is the low of this zone. I can take the wick into consideration. Yes, I can bring it to the wick. And these two will go to the wick. But it's all the same. So now that we've seen the high and the low, we know that overall price has been in an uptrend for a very long time, but then we just started seeing some bearish, or price is just moving sideways. Price is just moving sideways. It hasn't been making any reasonable move to any direction. So let's just focus on this region right here. Now I'll go to my 1H, then I'll mark my key zones of the 1 hour time frame. So guys, as it stands now, I'm not understanding what exactly price is trying to do over here. So you have that kind of frustration. You don't want to be making impulsive decisions. You have to wait and see clear signs or clear information. You have to be able to interpret the information the chart is showing clearly before you make a decision to enter a trade. And my case here is I'm not able to interpret what market is showing clearly, so I wouldn't be jumping into any conclusion. I'll just have to wait. But right now I think price might be selling from here. Price is in a consolidation zone. You see, price has been consolidating in this zone. You could see that it attempted to break out. It immediately broke out. It came back inside and it's still coming down here. So if I'm supposed to make or take a trading decision, I will anticipate price will come all the way down here, somewhere around these levels, before it can go up, because we are still in a consolidation zone, and this consolidation is on the 4H time frame. So as a day trader, we can be able to get some movement off. We can be able to get some slight movement, maybe 1:2 or 1:1, but I don't normally trade 1:1 setup. So if I get a 1:2 confirmation setup on this or inside this consolidation zone, I might be taking it. But then now I think we have to put on our waiting game and see what price has for us today. So guys, that will just be all. So guys, I think I've just gotten an entry confirmation on the 5 minutes. Yeah, so I'll be entering the trade now. Let me just show you quite a little bit of what I saw. See, there's a supply zone up there on the 5 minutes. Price broke below the recent low it created. Price broke below this zone, and then you all see what's happening. It went tap into this zone, then it gave us multiple weak rejections, and then it dropped a solid or a strong bearish move to the downside. So that's what I'm going to. Yeah. I wish to risk. Let me go for 200. So I'll be going for 1:2. Yeah. We're in a little bit of drawdown, but then it is what it is. We just entered the trade, so you can see price has started dropping a little bit of blues. So let's just see how it goes, guys. Let me mark it out on my. 200 pips. Then we'll go for a 400 pip move. This is how it looks on the 1H time frame. And why I'm taking this trade is, if you look at what is happening on the 4H, price has been dropping, creating lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. And when price created this low over here, it went up and then gave us another lower high formation. So if this lower high formation is created, what are we expecting? We expect price to give us another lower low for a lower high. So that's just my first criteria. On the 4H, price looks like it's dropping, or price is dropping. On the 1H, it created this low, it broke it, and then it came back for a retest. And on my 5 minutes, so this is how the trade looks currently. Let's just see how it goes, guys. If it breaks or if it violates this zone, I might just close it out because I'm not 100% sure about this trade. But then since it has given us some criteria and it is backed with some solid information, let's just see how this goes, guys. Blues, baby, blues. And price is dropping massively, and then but yeah, we just hope it continues that way. If you've been trading gold, when you see gold making a solid move, you don't get excited because that solid move can get a quick retracement in just few seconds. So when you're trading gold, until your TP gets smashed or your SL, you can't get excited. So that's it, guys. Now we have to wait and see the result of how this trade is going to play out. So guys, now the waiting game is on. Yeah, so guys, you could see how gold is retracing aggressively to our entry zone, but then the bearish move has been so aggressive. Let's just see how it goes from here. And in the meanwhile, we are still in blues. In the meantime, we are still in blues. You can clearly see that. So this account is the pay later challenge that Good Funded Trader is giving. I bought a 5K account and then they gave me a 10K challenge, an additional 10K challenge that when I'm able to pass phase 1, I think it's just a one phase. Yeah, it's just a one phase challenge. So what they do is when you're able to pass the first phase, they will give you the account, but then you have to pay the registration fee before you can be able to withdraw from this account. So that's what I'm trading with actually. That's what I'm trading with. You can see that I'm almost like 5% in drawdown, and the overall drawdown is 8%. That means I'm 3%. I'm left with 3% to load this account. But then let's just see how it goes, guys. Let's just, if I'm able to win this trade, that means we've recovered 2%. So that's all this account. I know most of you will be wondering what type of account I'm trading. I've stopped trading demo account for a very long time. You know, when it's not a live account or a prop firm account, I'm not trading, because demo trading is like a waste of time. Not for a beginner. If you're a beginner, you need to start trading with a demo account so that you can know how to calculate your pips, how to set your stop loss, how to even size a trade. But then if you've understood what you are doing, trading a demo account won't do you any good. So, or maybe you want to test a strategy, or you've learned a new strategy and then you want to test it. You need to do that on a demo account, because you don't want to be testing new things on your live account, because every account, be it a prop firm or your live account, is your real money. And if you want to be testing that, that means you don't value your money, or you just want to give the market some money. So trading demo account is good for testing strategies and also for learners. Yeah, but if you understand what you are doing, if you know what you are doing, you don't have to be trading a demo account. You have to be learning the hard way. You have to lose your real money so that you feel the pain and then you sit up and learn properly. But then you can see how price is retracing back to our entry zone. Let's just hope it drops. Yeah, because we don't have absolute control over this market, or we don't have any control over this market. All we do is we interpret the information the market is printing, and then we guide, or we take an action with the information we have interpreted. So that's all. We're still waiting to see the outcome of this trade. Let's go. Guys, yeah, so guys can clearly see what gold is doing. Gold has retraced all the way back into our stop loss zone and is still pushing to the upside. But then I don't believe in this trade anymore, so I might be closing any moment from now. Just take a look at what's happening on the 1H time frame. Price is failing to take out this low over here, and this has been a multiple week rejection. This week rejection is too massive for me. Yeah, on the hourly time frame, price moved all the way to the downside here, but then it rejected and pushed all the way up with a hammer candle, even though the candle hasn't closed yet. But it's like a hammer candle on the 1 hour, and it's also forming at a key level. So I don't trust this sell anymore. I might be closing this trade here, and then let's just wait a little bit more and see if price might drop back into our profits for us to close it out. Yeah, but if it didn't, I might close. So let's just see how it goes. You could see that a new candle has opened, and this 1H candle has already closed, and we are running about $14 or $15 in SL. But then let's just see how it goes, guys. Yeah, so guys, you can see that price is still consolidating around the zone where I closed my trade, and it's still not making any reasonable move. But you know, it is what it is. I don't want to be this market condition are not suitable for making a trading decision. So I'll just stay away from this market. I mean, today is Friday, the market is almost, or the week is almost over, and we have another week coming up. That's next week. So guys, I'll just stay away from this market and then hope for a better market condition come next week. So that will just be all. Yeah, that will just be all. Yeah, so guys, that's all on this video. Yeah, the trade we took didn't go well. Price dropped about 1:1 into our direction, and then it reversed. We went straight into our stop loss zone. I had to close the trade at 1:2. I had to close the trade at 50% into my stop loss zone. Yeah, but then it is what it is. Also, what's happening on the chart, and I didn't want to take any other trade in this kind of market condition. So guys, that will just be all on this video. So see you guys in the next one. Peace and love. I'm out.